side. Cancel life, burn it down to the ground. Take and go do what you do, you know. You understand? If for the first time you watch our channel, yeah, subscribe, please and thanks. We are trying to 100k, you know. With the 88, you know what I mean? So we're grateful. 12 more thousand, and with the 100k. So when you go up on the 90, we're going to do something named 10-10. Or 10-10. We'll figure it out to get that 10,000 there. We'll do something. Alright, in the summer, yeah. We say we can get the 10,000 in the summer, yeah. Alright, we're ready for campaign in the comments. Alright, watch a movie still. Baby Mother Jama Part 3. Let's go.
Yeah, I remember what old people used to say. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. I remember what old people used to say. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. Me want you better listen. You better listen. Listen, God, I'ma find you missing. Friend and tell you when them act. And any tick off the clock. When time catch up on them and them get shot, they ain't coming back. Some of them friends are better than the enemy.
I feel it feeling.
Which part is it? Oh, I'm there down the road, so come, get my daughter and come pick up some because I really like your man, man. That's why I'm going to come up here, I'm going to come up here, I'm going to fix your man in the face. Alright, I'm not going to kill you for them, pick up. Hurry up, man.
You guys show my money right here?
Yes, it's true, I don't want.
Don't
worry about that.
Don't worry about that.
Don't worry about that. Alright. Banana. Stop warming my back now.
Some of the ones we bring from a picnic.
I tell her this, make sure say you're mad and you're not listening.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Listen. Anything me carry from
Baby,
my
stand up over this too. Stand up over this.
Yeah.
Alright?
I will have to
Yeah,
fix him,
come.
man. I have to fix him.
Listen to me. You can't leave my man next to me.
I know that. I know that. Come here, daddy.
Do not call her into the...
Come here, dad. It's a big truck something down in your yard. They say, step daddy. See if you pick up the card, yeah?
Step back, mama. Me not make the list come here. Me not make my people call my step daddy. You hear?
I'm glad I'm not going to call him on the step. Listen, I'm not arguing.
Listen up. Let me tell you this. It no matter which man I want to take up if you work with sign as a your man or mine. My man. And my man. Right. So the inner look with you. That's why she said you don't have no woman up there.
Listen up.
Just make sure say you don't have no woman up there.
So why you can't have a woman up on my
Just
yard?
make sure say no woman up there. You mention that? You mention that? You mention that?
Listen.
Look, you say Maya there.
Tell me that. You see if she need there, I can't come there. You see?
Try me. Try. Don't have to.
Yeah. Come on, tell me that. Come on, fire road.
Come, baby.
Get her here.
Anyway, there are the America about another. Unless you want to see yourself, don't get me wrong. You need to go on anger management class. Them anger the way you have. Find some other way of it. Find too much. Washa. What is? You look at what? Give me a call.
Since I'm here, I told my friend I come on my yard, come take a chair and sit down and where I come? I'm not come here for me in a no argument. You realize I come here from? I come here for talk. And like a bullbuck and the pick and carry. I'm in it. Lady, guess what? Get up. Get up before me kick off your face over here. You just hostile coming in and walk. Glen right in you. I want to say now you chunk. Anyway, get to your pen. Where you want to come? Alright, so when we really want to over me, then come and show. What me really need? Wait, I don't want to talk to this. Come call me. I don't want this thing to come grab me. I'm going to get the black pen on your face. You put on this all over here, so hold on there. What I really come to talk to you about now is I gotta left Glen around Gio. Because I can't take this. I can't take this no more. My cup overflow. It's like for the few months, almost 1 year now, me and Glen riding. And I can't get one peace of mind with my man because of you. Get smart. Look here what year is on, you look your name 2 weeks. I threw your stubborn. But a long time I did for grand still. But you know, some another type of person then. I threw me in love with me, baby father said it. You know some of the best days of? You used to go to church. You used to silent. I want. Go to your yard because me I talk to you. They come to tell you that. Come, get up. One. You argument. Don't touch me now. Yeah. Get up. Get up from the chair. Move from front of me. No, move. But you think I like it? Tell me, let me go. Girl, myself, let me go. Martha, come on from the chair. You tell me, get up and get it. Get that. Officer! Martha, let me go. Let go me on.
Go now,
Are you police bro?
Go now, standing in a red car, Go now,
where you come on the yard from?
Where now,
Where you come on the yard? Officer, I'm simple come to talk to the girl. Say, we just drop this never left for our man.
Where you going?
We come to talk to her as a normal civilian. Men are not afraid. But mama, she wants to be on the same page. Never left for our man. And that's never she did me and she come and me at the time. That's the reason for an officer. Me have just get on me hard and go do this. You see me talk about?
Now I'm on the man.
Well, boy, what we are doing over here? What we are doing over here?
Then the lifeguard man and bridge this month. Grandpa runs from the fire and some people.
just a clear my head. Me I go to wall leave, so me just. But I not even know me I go in the water, but me just want to sit down. You know, you just want to meditation.
We have to. Yes, I want to watch it.
Alright, let's see how we're in. Alright, later.
Yeah, man, take care.
Yeah, mommy, you see they call me how much time? You not listen me? Me so calm. Me dey on the beach, I go on while I meditation and just clear my head. Mommy, me left you not too long and me tell me I pass. If you ever know see me up, me pass and stop. I go here, man. And me go talk to her, you know. And this girl, what will I do over there? Woman, I'm so proud of her. Girl, I chill me. What's wrong with you? Where are you going for?
You can't make the girl a big detox all the way everywhere, come on. Watch out. Look how you're big and thick and you make look and see. No. Me no know where you're going to do now. Better you go swim. Let me tell you, better you go swim and wash up. No need for what they call you, something they call you, man. No, matter of fact, you know what? I teach you to fight.
Teach me, come tell her the girl I know.
Come here. Come over here. Come here, sir. Come here. Now, right, there's something I show you how fight. Come here. Alright, first thing. You're bigger than her in a body. Special and stronger than her. That means it have to do with your food and your yard. Alright, first thing. Somebody come up to you. Where's she first do? Come up to you or back of you?
She come back at me.
Somebody come back of you. Me come back of you. Look how you be. If more than throat, you have your elbow them, you know. Boom in here, so. You use up your body, man. Use up your brain. You can't just fight so you're not ignorance. Somebody come back of you. Hold on for you. Boom in them. Somebody come in front of you and come up to near, boom in him too, yeah. Fan him go so, they just start beating him down. And I like, somebody go so, look, thump off of me. Me can draw, me can do hard type of thing to you. You see me? Me can move out that way and go so, boom in your face. You can thump me so, you know, and when you thump me go so, wow, boom in your face. So you have to ease up off of some of my food, man, and drink up some bitters, man. And go back in the game again, man. One of them days, I'm going to come give some more lesson. But when the girl beat up on the road, I am my cousin. Yo, I don't know. But change up your diet and listen to my training then.
No, listen to you.
Enough people my training now.
I'm going to listen to you. I'm tired now. You know, right now I run a mummy me there now.
Tired. You think nobody can beat me on the street? What do you think big stone for? You must want me use big stone and bust up the head.
Right now I run a mummy me there. Me have to left out our bill for the place because see me left, me tell her, so me left, you know, me tell her, say, me go down with her and she
still. And I really want to talk to me, you know, find a way to deal with it. Me just show you a look style how you can defeat her. You see me? And I really that me depend on. Me not go see no girl that beat you up on the street still, you know. But me can't go come in a woman to woman fight.
Thanks for your lesson.
Say yeah. Man. We link up, man.
Alright.
I'm washing a girl. And look at that bed. with the party.
I never.
Suppose Hans come and you laugh. Eh? Go under the bed. Under the bed, you find the broom and sweep out the broom. Mama said you're not no stepmother here, you know. So you have to do better. Don't have it. Next time you eat, do not eat on the bed. Then come down. Come down off the bed now. That way. Come down.
Daddy, more watermelon.
Wait first. Watermelon in the fridge. Go in the kitchen. Listen, stop. Listen, I said to you. Look for me. Go in the kitchen and get the broom and sweep out in here. Yeah, make it turn. Don't play nothing there now. Come. You find the broom?
No.
Sit down one side. I'll talk on the phone.
Okay, I'm gonna go outside now.
Alright. Don't go out on the road, you know.
Yeah, I won't.
Hello?
Walk on.
Where they are?
You still don't make up your mind yet to come back here yard.
No, Leonard.
Mama, you know say what happened yesterday evening. Oh, you make people carry you go a golf course. You not even love walking in your first place. That's why you put on so much weight. And you make you walk going in an ambush. And then you blame it on me. If I bet you there yard or not, at least you could have hide and I better lock up the door or something. But you go out in an opening and you can't run. But anyway, we not depend too much on what's going on already. We're gone already. What may I try to say to you though? I'm here there. And our relationship work when before me here there, you'd have to give me okay if we start a relationship. So in a said way when a relationship is done too, likewise, we have to find a way why it done. You just say done, you pick up the things them and gone before me reach back and you talk to me on the phone every time. What about you there directly? Somebody tell me I don't have my mother there, you know.
I don't have my mother with them man, but when I'm sick and tired of your baby mother now, I didn't tell us I'm tired.
Remember, you know, I know so a story go. My baby mother and you in a local thing. And I really I don't know why I have to deal with baby mother because I child, you know. And I want bad to go pitney. You understand what I mean? You know, listen to me talk to her. So likewise you see part take it from a funny mother. So you know say that's why I saw you stay that way there. So you know say his mother can't help himself. So when I tell you we go move, you know. We go move from here and go live somewhere different. But for now we have to do and go and bill. So through there and bill, Mama, we have to go talk. Because I can't end so. Last night, me roll and I'll jump off my bed because normally you put her in front to catch me when I roll. Because I'm a man to sleep and roll and kick. I say I almost jump off my bed last night. I realize, say, boy, you know, they're there for throw. You know what I mean? I don't want that happen to me again. You know? So I come check you do me talk, right?
Right, don't come on my mother.
Me I can ice cream. What you want? You must want ice cream.
I don't want nothing fried.
Me know say you love ice cream. I wonder what your mother love. I will pick one breadfruit for your mother because your mother love breadfruit. You understand? So I saw more page today. But more care about the girl. Why you there to be a problem, girl?
Later, Glenn,
I look for my can't pick no girl left for my mother, you know. I can't live for my mother. Come here, wash and my tail on the whole out of the door, I move chair from left to right. Babe.
Anything you want for the I know my business.
I soon call link you, babe. Alright, your stepdaughter you give me be a problem. Girl, how you doing there with the chair? There's a move chair fan down so. Eh? You know enough of that? Spell bread. No, I'm not going to see if you learn at school. Spell bread. Spell apple. Look for me, I'm talking now. Spell apple. Apple, man. scan it, make it spell up.
P-P-L-E. Apple.
Spell bread now.
We can't spell.
Bread.
B R
Me not hear it.
Miss it. B R E A D.
Alright, that good. If you're lucky, clap yourself. Okay, if you never get it good to that, I clap you. You think, listen. And answer the next word. You do good a while ago.
Daddy.
So listen me now. You do good. So me now get a teddy bear and come on. Okay, go over your mother.
But daddy, me left my teddy bear.
Your teddy bear in there, so go on for your teddy bear. We are go over. Come on, go on for your teddy bear.
Me no want to go.
No, listen me, you have to go over your mother right now. Come here, we can't there with you. I have to close them for wash. Come on, man. Stop from coming on, man.
I really want to know if I really am my best friend. No, I forgot. I'm calling. That's not calling. This is off me out. Yeah, I can't believe it. So I really did my best friend. I can't my best friend in Ghana. I'm gonna try calling. Next time now, but I can't.
What is it? I'm not sure really. I have to call my dad about it. What do you think? I'm actually from abroad, but because I'm born here. Well, there's no problem with that. You see, I'm a girl like this. I don't like problems. I don't like drama. So, you have children, baby mother, girlfriend. Yeah, sure about that. That's the problem I would mean I like. You're sure about that? So where do you live? Then how you live down there where you know see everyone else? Okay. Sure.
Princess? How that?
Amigos.
Oh, you just push my door and come in. I'm not even invited in. What happened?
And there. You look so. Like you have a whole world by your head.
Because I not even know. I not even know if you believe right now.
I want to know.
Because I can't miss the first class and best friend not doing this.
I'm on the name, man. I have to see with them, I'm on the name.
What about the man when you go upstairs?
Me and him left you no girl.
Why?
They not work out. Mama tell some want the money for me get vex money. Never work out, girl, but this morning me I come up, yeah. Up in a one nice man, girl.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, what?
I'm gonna lie down, yes, sir. Because we need to get really comfortable. So you go punch it with one man.
Yeah, we left.
And you come down here and meet one next man.
Uh-huh.
And you say man nice.
Yeah, girl, he nice, body. Oh, girl, look like he have hips.
And I tell you,
Look here, you see my break up them, me use another man to get over it.
we can get me $5,000.
Me not happy. When me happy, you get it. Me not happy, you know.
You see when I did it to get back money, you should have take piece more money from the man. Tell him say you want to give them shopping money. Shopping money. You understand? You know how to get back money. So you can pan third man and not even $1.
Why that go good enough, but in the last few days I don't know what change. That go on good. But that's something book up now one nice one this morning and give me no one thing.
You see all that footage them we have with first class and my best friend, send me them. Me I go think about something what me gonna do with them. You understand? Me so glad me and you link up back. I'm glad you're fat. So you see when they come, I gonna be the fool to catch the wise. You understand? So when they come, I gonna play along with them until me decide what me gonna do with them. You understand? So what you gonna do? You
Alright, me driver.
That more
Come in. Come in.
Alright, me come drop her off back.
Yes.
But me have something to tell you, you know.
What happened?
You know, stop and stop until I make my woman left me.
And
Now,
your point is?
listen me I say.
Your point is?
Yesterday evening, what you do? You know, call for, and he say, are you call? He say one friend or cousin call her up there. So anyway, I don't know a long time.
I don't understand me
You there?
when me do not call
You see your
her.
face? Alright.
Me not understand what you mean when me do not call for. Me understand.
You ever rather for you wash myself? Normally, me not wash clothes.
No, you're supposed to wash them. Your woman rang for come attack me. You never get woman rang it. Other day, she beat me up and we send her to prison, right? You go back for me same night. You know making you spend one night like how you make me spend how much days and nights in a prison. You see you is a wicked man.
Anyway.
Be a drama in your life.
Anyway, you love fight. We're going to put in an FFC. We don't want my daughter go to school to fight because his mother is a warmonger. Remember, I meet you in the church, you know. I buck you in the church. And when I meet you in the church, I thought you was a decent good church girl. And when me carry you out, you jump, you turn back like you're going to church to catch me. When me a pass on the roadside. And me never go to church, me a pass. And then say, Rasta, come in here. I come in there, come listen. And you catch me out. And you catch me, you come out of church, you turn warmonger. So look like they went put in a church, you calm me down. And since you need to go back. Anyway, you here?
Yeah, but I didn't want to go to church.
You want to go to church?
Yeah.
Well, if church couldn't help your mama, I don't think it'll help you. But anyway, if you want to go, I'll go send you. I'll go buy some church clothes for you.
I can look for you later.
No look for me now, go today. Me have to go there on the road now. I try hunt. Me have to go hunt and now, or me try get her back. I go down here, go. She be her mother. I go her mother, go talk to her mother and make her mother understand the situation. Say, me cannot control people and me can't control you. Me can't control the side, me have to let you go. See there your man yard, I have to come to your man yard, come to me pick me. You not to build a house yourself, you see how?
You swear in a way you're your woman in a film.
And for me and your money do it, yeah. But I want a little timber litter for you.
Just go on.
One little timble money
Yeah,
night
go
and
on.
no big portion night.
No, no, go on.
I go give back the money and see if I can build buy 2 ply.
Daddy, look at this.
The manager off my bed, pick that. So see, that's another bag pick over here. Sit down.
Can back over with it.
No, we have to go up on the road. Stay with your mother and don't get no trouble.
Later, lock me door. Go on by your business.
No, we're not.
What now?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Me soon deal with you. Give me a minute. So that's because you're going there now.
Yeah, man, me a go quick and see if the boy can carry me out later. Gonna name 2 steam fish. Steam fish.
Alright.
Drink 1 rum cream.
Alright, cuz.
Cousin, look more here.
I feel it feeling.
Tia! Tia! Miss Cheryl! I call her daughter because she don't answer me. I call her daughter but she don't answer.
Right now she's very, very upset with you, and she have a right to upset with you.
I know still but I try my best. I don't know how to mitigate the situation. But I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Well, she have to go make that the decision, But she tell me say she can't walk because of your baby mother. And she not trouble your baby mother, and all the while your baby mother say her, she'll trouble her. And also me grow my daughter.
You know still, my baby mother is a warmonger. I saw she's want to fight me after, that's why I have to leave her alone. So me make she get locked up and ask her daughter. Me make she get locked up and me carry her daughter, go down and lock her up and somebody bail her back. And then she come back, it's like she know, she get locked up and she not cool her. So no matter what me do, but me can't do without her daughter. Me down there, me a toss and a turn and me can't sleep at night time.
Yeah, but one thing no one find out is if you and your baby mother still in a relationship.
No relation, no shit.
Oh, she can't make my daughter walk in peace.
She said she want me back. She just said she want me back and she should have got anything to get me back and I tell her no. I'm a new woman love and I see her daughter that me I tell her and the more I tell her that the more she get hungry. And guess what now she live a house with a man.
I want mad woman that then. Because if she live a house with man and she still a fight over you.
No.
Well, here what happen.
Me don't know why she pan is just a boy.
You must know and she must know. And my daughter must know too. So,
Yeah.
you don't know about
But she
about
pack
that
up
man.
and now me don't know.
Well, she pack up her things and she tell me so she no want really back in a no relationship with you because
Me know
can't walk
she
in
she
peace.
love me, but me don't want to talk to her.
Yes, well, here what happen now. Me go call her and you and her can take it from there. So me no know if she go come in, no know if me can convince her to come talk to you. But me will try.
Yeah, tell her me have a secret, me call her so many times.
And she answer.
And she love her. She just tell her say me say punchy low. Yeah, punchy low. Just tell her say me say punchy low. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, tell her say, sugar daddy I call her.
Alright.
She call me sugar daddy, me call her punchy low. I me not speak language that. Maybe she will come and tell her that.
Alright.
Tell her say me love her bad, hear?
Alright.
Talk to her for
Tell
me.
her and see if she will come.
Alright, thank you. You're my favorite mother-in-law.
He say, you tell you say you want sugar daddy. Call you, say you want to talk to you, but you can't make that the decision for you, but you must know if you want to go back in the drama. You know, say you love him, but leave all up to you still what you want to do. So you must know if you really want to go back in the drama and thing. So, but you can't hear when happy say still. Because I know him really fight you with the baby. So you can't go on and go hear what he say.
Mommy, I'm tired of it.
I understand what you say, but there is two sides to every story. And he tell me say, he go to station and make them lock her up how much time already. So, just hear what you have to say and you can know if you really want to go back in that.
Alright, Mela.
So, you decide that.
Why, Mommy? I don't think I go back. Look how me look stressed out. Not even me here, me have to pull out me here. Me feel like I lose weight. I can't bother.
Well, you must know because you in the relationship and you must know how much you can take. You understand? Because you wear the shoes, you know how much it has squeezed. And you can't tell us, well, yes, that's it. Hello!
You feel like I'm in that.
Your voice wants sound like him. Make me look and see if I really him.
What the way you're moving? I'm not going there. I'm not going there. What's the content? Where's the game, Ryan?
No, me just happy to see you. I love to see me just stop. You know if I want to smile, girl, you know what you do to me when I leave? You hurt me, you know? Bad hurt me, you know? They have to do something not eat. I don't drink no tea. Not at all. Normally, my man get up and make me porridge. I don't make no porridge from wine. Yo, when me, every time I go so, I can't sleep on the bed. Not at all. 2 times drop off my bed. Because I say I'll sleep at the end, I say I road so. I tell you, my life upside it down. I am because I'm a baby mother, you have used a baby mother fry high. When I don't hide nothing to you. You know what I said? From the beginning I shall teach you. Martial arts or something. Or wrestling. Because you begin to take you see if you bully book and bully you. Because I mash up my life and now I'm growing the principle. I must not hit a woman, so that's why I can't do nothing. I have to do sex. So come to on my side. You know, and defend myself. I don't want to fight no woman and my principle. You understand? So and what am I going to do? Give me a time, if you just come back, give me a time, I work on something different, you go move. Go one place, but I now tell her for me there. And then when I pick up a baby somewhere else and drop off baby somewhere back to her, that means that she not come, me go to her. What do you think about that?
Good night. I don't know how to work this out with you.
Do you love me though? That me I ask you though. You love I?
Yeah, of course I love you.
So wait, oh you leave then?
Your baby mother here the nigga, and me and you.
Jump over her then no? Jump over and bounce her with the big body. But you run.
But I mean,
After the storm there will be the calm. She's just a storm going through, so no run.
but come run on my mother to take a little
And she-
breeze. I know You come find me. Then you can't just leave me alone.
No, brother, let me tell you a while ago. So you can't do without you. Be. Punch look on. Not do me that, man. So you can come back home. Put one on you, I said, come back home.
Nothing about it. I need some time for it. That's why I come on. Move out of your place. Leave your baby mother.
Leave mother live today. She not live, and me alone live today.
Your baby mother not live there, but every time she can just barge in and come when she feel like.
If we have the time, we'd have raised one people feel hard, but we don't have the time.
You saw me talk about
No.
you're not taking nothing serious.
No, serious, no, seriously. You think we not put a people there, make she can't come there? I would have put a people there, make she can't come there. I tell her right now. But anyway, we just want to know say I come back. So if you need a little time for things, just think about it. But in the meantime, I go there home. I go to work, I'm not eat no food. So most if you go to Jack down for work. Because 2 days I'm not eat. Most all you take to come back home. I'm after work. Because business have to pay the same way. Alright? You can't get a hug. So I can't get.
Next time I go hug you, I see your baby mother they pass by. To beat me again, me not in a drama with you. I am baby mother.
Babe, stop.
Alright, good. Come on, you just go on.
So you say, come back home, right?
Me I think about it.
Alright, so I'll go and go see my place and wait for the arrival.
Alright,
You see, you know?
let me tell you.
Call me. Tell me and answer my call. Me
So
call
let me
you.
ask you something. You promise me, so if I come back, all of your baby mother drama go done.
Done. Baby mother jama done. When you come back home, baby mother jama done. Me want her off, more try to put a restraining order against her. Here, say done when I come back home. I tell them, promise.
Alright. If I say so.
Tell them, Mr. McGann, here.
Alright. Well, mommy, I think I'm going to give him a chance. I think I'm going to go back home.
Yeah. He'll say it's safe for you to go back home.
Why? I can't buy cash pot off and baby mother, I know. I don't know if it's safe, but they say love is blind and love
Yes.
me turn you an idiot.
Well, I understand. Well, if you want to get another try, just get another try, but be careful. Right? You have to be careful. And you love him and you love you. And you say, I'm baby mother, and you know anything can you say, she live a house with her man, but no one knows. Oh, she live a house with her man and yet still, she won't leave him alone.
That is one I always ask anyway, but something not add up. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. If I put it on my mind, I go mad. You understand?
Yes, I understand. So, well, if you say you love him and love you and you want to be outside, you can't tell us say don't do that. We leave all up to you. Right? You must know how far you can go with it and how much you can take out of it.
I'm going to give him an next chance, but me not going to make you know now. You understand? I'm not going to make you know now. I just go give like a couple more days and then I go home. But not even time, so I come and just go pop up.
Right. Because if you go tell him no, say you come, certain things you won't see. But here when you go, when he not expect you, I think that's the best idea for you.
Yeah man, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm not going to tell him, so I come home, I'm going to make him think.
Say you're not right.
Exactly.
Right.
So.
Give him some days making him get to see himself and then you
Alright.
Who that come? Say, not so it's nothing like
What's up?
that.
Serious, I miss you.
How long when I see you?
You good?
Ish. I'm come back for so long, you know, so now I go fully good until you put that like a magic touch. So it's been up.
Yeah, we're fire. Much weeks now.
Yeah, yeah. Little break. Agree with you though.
Yeah, what time
Yeah. Yes.
So, you good though?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Tired though, because you don't know I work. Honey.
Alright, Kayo. So, where money can you work with?
I don't know, so I get no money yet.
So how much black you lay, so?
Only for black, man. Just black up in there. Oh, yeah, I go on.
So you don't meet no woman up there?
No, sir. No, man. No, man, life full right now. I'm comfortable. But the boss, I want foreign man, you know. So what go on is when you don't want car when you rent and you lick it. And so I'm paying to fix back the car when you lick and plus the one when you drive. So the money when you prepare because then you blow you up so you fly up but you're supposed to send them the money. So that's why I'm saying alright, just wait for him when he get back home.
So can I wait till when you come and collect your money?
No, I miss him, I come down.
You miss me to come down here? Yeah. You feel sick?
Sleep.
Anyway, come. I'm glad to come back. Go on down there so I'm finish sleep.
Yes.
Yes, so I'm going to put your stick on you see that.
Yeah. I can't wait. Look at chip did alright still, man. I like.
You enjoy yourself?
Can't say that, but I mostly work, you know. I go. But just in different area, I give you a little buzz, you know.
You look fat and thin and strong. Then deal with you.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, you work deal with you.
Yeah, man. You put more muscle, more with the skin.
Yeah. That the life I agree with you. You have to go back to it again.
Chang boy, man.
Yeah.
My ton Chang, man.
Yeah.
Like one of them weightlifter there. I'm gonna just take you up, so. Yeah.
Anything else? So go and go get some rest.
Yeah. Go with a shower and then come
Yeah,
get
man,
your
go
light
go
up.
on a shower then me prepare for you.
Home sweet home.
Did the work. You watch and see. Like I think me I get. Marika! 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 Oi. How was that?
Shanty girl.
Shanti. Come in. You doing a lock?
What go on?
Yeah.
Me say girl me long piece you.
Yeah.
Yeah, back some banana and piece of breadfruit for you. From country. I want more. Girl,
Me
me
too,
search
God, you
and
want to come from a country girl like have half a
girl, me
breadfruit
care
and banana?
me care one whole of breadfruit and me cut half and left over my yard.
No care about that for your yard. Me no want
I
that.
see breadfruit, the banana.
Put the banana in background. Yes.
Because not a choice, yeah, but
Me no want it. Me a choice. I me never beg you nothing.
for me and you want.
Me never beg you nothing. Take up a breadfruit off of my table and carry back to your yard. So you could do me, girl.
After you cut me just a while. Want
Me there.
So girl, me go back country, they play sati.
So you don't meet nobody up there.
Me not really talk to people to that, you know. We just walk past. Me not even look so me just walk straight.
So you know see first class up there.
No, you know, say come next time me see him one night time there. But you come know say your man me just walk past him. Don't if he need see me.
So you not gonna
Nothing
be
with you know say up there indeed. You could tell me say up there saying gone.
Why me fi tell her that?
Say up there saying there.
Why me fi call her and tell her something?
Well, me you're a good friend. I would normally tell me everything. But you're not going to call me and tell me say fire out or something. And shit.
For what?
You just have one so.
Anyway. And that's how I care for a country.
Up there the hard to tell the truth, you know, but truth for
So
me.
you not gonna beach also.
I go up there one and two times, but the water too dirty for me right now. Dirty bad man now walk up there so. But I got a party.
So you don't meet nobody and go out on dates and days.
Kind of too mixed up, what am I tell you? I take out my foot and go to my yard. I just a dog in my business and I give thanks in peace and my foot I can't come give you.
You mean me doing in your business?
And I tell
Yeah,
you,
your friend is supposed to can ask a question.
I'm here and I tell me, say your man got up and watch him for
I
you.
want to know why me if you tell us that my man gone up.
I want to know why me if tell you what me do always.
Yeah.
You don't cook no food.
One year, take up a piece of fruit and go.
I mean, I take my banana too.
You
Because you're a friend, that's why I make you a piece.
I don't want
That's
to
all I
tell
feel.
you.
Cook some food for me and later I come back for some.
And the dash you to do because I don't want it.
Yeah, this is that. You get brown door.
If I was a person, I would have do it then. But no reason. One by one, me I bring one of them. This a drama, yeah? Just a start.
Shanti, stop now. Stop now, baby. Shanti. Come now. Shanti. Shanti. Come here now, baby. Shanti. What's my love babes?
Shay.
Yo, cuz.
Shay.
Yeah.
I can't believe say boy lay down in her bed up here. I call Shanti name.
What you say?
I kill him today now pass and you know they better have more money for bury him today now. Watch what me I gonna do to him this.
You have a little picnic now, cuz. What you do?
Remember some me have a little picnic, you know, remember saying left me Ghana country with next girl. Eh? I gonna kill him in
Cuz no, do not me. Come man, me. Come no, do not me.
You hear me?
So, I'm gonna say what you do. What you really do? You think? Wait, one guy prison for you, baby? Can't do it, so man.
I just don't love him every Friday. You have to go back and watch it for me because on the shit the way the girl did the sleep. And I understand. My baby father and the girl left. So I go over there for a period of time to cool off.
Do that
Because
now.
if I tell her something, I go do something.
Yeah, well, let's do that. Get your mindset together. Okay, if you're killing man, you're going and the baby not gone nobody, and you know your baby father can't manage the baby you want. And you make human life. Even that me talk to you about too, you know.
Well, okay. Anyway, don't go buy shoes. I'll give back out of 5,000 already, man. Yeah, go buy it. And then meet me, I'll get and baby father. Alright. First class. You know, so me get one call and I have to go for it.
Go so fast, man. I'm just come, man.
I understand, so you just come and everything.
You
But
can't
me have-
cannot miss me, man.
I miss you, of course I miss you. But me have to go away.
So
But
yeah,
I
go.
come back. Me I go do one work and come back.
Right.
For a few days.
So sudden.
You can't just come in, so.
Alright. Yeah, then.
Yeah, man, so. I'll fuck up on you.
Alright.
Later.
Alright, babes.
First class, I'm gone. There's an emergency, yeah? Later.
Give me a little hug before you go, man.
Later.
Alright, travel safe, babe.
You cannot hear me. Let me see, please. What was the fear in
Yeah, me know. Boy, please look busy.
Anyways, me not carry, you know.
Alright, later.
Let me see you. Call me for nothing.
My place look back side. I choose facts. Sure, everything children not this place. How much for that, please?
Hello. Where are you? Evelyn. Oh, I give you a contract off. But why you open the door?
So,
You lock the door?
so
I put new sheet on the bed. Why you put new sheet on the bed?
because I come to stay over here for a little time because my house is burned down.
Listen to me.
I don't know what cause the fire.
Listen to me.
I don't know if to stay.
Why you so many time no wonder. No, really.
I come to stay over here for a little time because my house burned down.
Everywhere in the world, right? Here is the only place I can go stay. Suppose woman went there.
Well, I will pack up in here.
You know, see I look trouble Somali. I don't know what kind of problem you have your man in. Because I'm an idiot. Because I want to go on with. Where baby by the way? What my daughter there? You may as a fit to you now. You can build tonight, but as morning break, you go stay down with your mother today.
I don't go down there, I don't like down there. I just saw me stay.
No, you can't work.
Why you can't work? Your woman not there, you're not live.
Listen now, where do you come from?
I don't know where you come from, I'm not here.
You go down there, we talk to her, to get her, because remember, you know, are you crazy, you know? So me as a man, I have to go down there now, go beg her and tell her, say, please, you know, say, I apologize on your behalf because you pick up another lot of different things.
Listen, stop blame me for things. Blame your woman too. When she had the things, you know, tell us that she had the things. Everything I may do. Everything I may do.
But why?
You have to tap him out.
Yeah, look like we don't want triangle relationship. You.
Remember, so we gone back. So yes,
We
I
no,
want triangle
no, we
relationship.
not gone back. We accidentally do
We
something.
not accidentally 3 times.
3 is still
So you
accidental.
never done by your bed one night to talk to me. And when a woman come in, you talk about your mommy. Me think that me somebody.
Yeah, because I don't like the argument and the confrontation.
But I did I call me babes. And there's something that can
Because I used to call her that one long time. So though that relationship done, you don't name that again really. Because my time accidentally call it but not take it too serious.
It's serious.
So
So
you-
you call me so it's serious.
You hear me I say? For me I get the back fully, it would got to take a miracle. And the miracle not seem like anytime soon. Cause for my woman and me just have a little disagreement because of you. So I'm gonna talk to her and I assure her say if she give me a chance, right? It's the same thing not happen again. Me now gonna make you mash up the relationship between them woman. So as an ex, are you there, are you gonna sleep? You know it's head and tail. But coming and put you out a door today. But a morning, you need to push out and go down on your mother. So I'm not too much talking and debating because that video
Yeah. Anything I say.
because you go
anything I
chat
say.
and chat and chat and take up too much of my time.
Alright.
So anyway, we want to cook for you tonight.
You want cook food?
Yeah, we want to cook for you.
Do me special.
That one you say. Me not cooking. You go on yam here. Here pudding. And breeze pie. You must laugh like thing when I serious like a judge man. No man, you have to do better than that.
Yeah, just say I go cook food.
I don't just check me and check you for you where you go say, you must be mad, cook away. And woman chat there. We drop off a bed last night because come out of roll and woman that catch me.
So I'm not there to catch up tonight. I will tell her to jump off a bed.
I can't talk to you, here. Talk to you.
So where y'all go now?
Anyway, I just come back. I'm going to eat and come back. Anyway, now, next one to you
Okay,
first.
so we are going to the road.
Me and you not going anywhere,
I told
man.
you I go, me for the and you go left me.
Me no want nobody see me and your parent that to me at the back again.
The most see me
Oh.
today. Cause anywhere you go, me the back of your pee club, up, down, hill and gully right
And I
now.
kitchen me I go, so you can't tell him that. You can go and chat, you know. You can chat, but me now don't know what to do. For sure of that. Tell her that. Come now to watch the plate. Watch her back door, yeah.
Lanai! Lanai! Hello?
Wagwan.
How are you there? How you gone and not tell me?
Yeah, man, I know say I just go through next door. But me tell us say me and I roll up and down because we're not together anymore. So if you sleep the one night, if you want to, but you're not chill behind me.
You buy food care back for me?
Anything me buy and I eat, me left back some for you.
Your bread and face to me now and a leftovers food.
Well, you're there on your own. You know your man. But that's your man. My daughter one day you know that carry something for you.
You talk about one where they already. What about one when I'm in my belly?
What
If
you
I get
talk
some
about?
pregnant, if I get
What,
one.
what you talking about?
Remember some pregnant?
For who?
Not for you.
How
You mean
come?
for who?
How comes that for me?
Me no know a long time.
You know live a house with man.
Look how long your man gone.
Listen, the man gone. Yeah, how long it takes you to get impregnated?
Him always a use condom.
So me always I use it too.
No, you don't use no condom.
Hello,
use no
stop
protection.
ramp with me.
You can't play that truth.
Hello, don't ramp with me, hear me? You pregnant with your girl?
Yes, I'm pregnant.
Who believe you?
God.
You all liar, no man. You take God off a cast and you know.
Yo, carry food for me. About you and me, I carry food for your picnic. If you want thing dead, are you a choice? Are you good? Or for your shoulder, you can depend.
Alright, me try carry 2 bulla come.
Me no name bulla.
I know for you. Half of the picnic.
If
My
picnic now
picnic
go
look-
on that, me go
Don't
care
send
of
out to
that.
me, listen me. My picnic telling me give me what I want to eat. Me I jump that 2 bulla come with some water. That one thing.
Alright, anything else?
Hello.
Hello.
You are going to reach up safe?
Yeah, me reach up.
Mm. Yeah, just wait, man. I see me give you a shot and check on you, you know?
You're a good man.
Oh. So how long you say you're there for a couple of days, you say?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, alright. Well, I'm going to give you. You want me just wait, I go say I can get something for you and something.
Alright, later. I'm hungry about it.
Alright.
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
I get one call.
Hello.
Hello?
I pray.
And the yeah, I'm going to eat wagon.
Yeah.
I do.
Open me up with them, man. I'm just gone.
Yeah, so she gone.
I remember when I say I go for a couple of days, some work to me, do. No one there.
You want to up there?
Yeah. Come link me.
Where you say?
Come link me.
When?
Like right now. Just wait and go show her.
Alright then. Yeah, forward.
Yeah. Alright. Bring 2 crate in here for me.
Can smoke so?
We go that. I do have to do same, yeah. No, affect my performance.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, years later. Hurry up.
Yo, right, Bree.
There you know, cause girl, you there.
Look at me out there,
You can't come link me.
Aye.
Prop some popcorn, can't
You know
come.
some popcorn in my yard, man.
You ever have popcorn?
Aye.
Yeah, man, hurry up. Remember that take long.
Alright.
Yeah. I'll take a 5 before they come. Come, get up, man. Get up. What you do ya? I feel you girl. What you mean by what you do ya? Christ. What you do here? That me ask you. The question is as plain and simple. What are you doing here? Well, me and Glenroy is back together. If you never know. It's a joke thing. You and Glenroy they back together? When? How? Where? What? Me not understand. Well, we're going back and the argument done. You and Glenroy can't go back together. Get up. Get up out of this. I'm tired of you. You don't believe me? You see me ever see you back here, girl?
Hey! Wait, hold on! Cause, wait. Cause.
What you do over here?
I know what you look like.
Me not understand what go on yourself.
Me and Glenroy back together.
You not come out?
No, me not gonna right there so me a turn.
I just say you turn.
Me not left.
Don't leave. Don't go nowhere. Me go see if a me or a you have more privilege to this your house. Don't leave. Don't go nowhere.
Oh shit. What do you want to do now? This idiot.
Cause, better we just go on.
You chat too much. Guy, you
Peace, red, go on, cause.
Me not go nowhere. Glenroy tell me so me can stay here. So me just stay here. Who is she? If you
So you want to go back to behind cell again, cause?
No, I'm going to be on no cell again.
If you're still in a cause.
Girl, I don't know me, you know.
Hello, Officer Brown speaking. How may I help you?
Good afternoon, Officer Brown.
Good evening, ma'am. Who is this?
Tia,
How may I assist you in the evening here?
I don't know if you remember the girl where did lock up for me one time, you know, because she did antagonize me, right? The girl who make you lock up, one girl where the baby mother drama business. I don't know if you remember the situation.
Tia and Marika?
Yeah, that day. You know, say me want you come take her out of my man's place.
What do you mean by take her out to your man place? From my understanding, it's your baby father place.
Listen, me and the man there, she and the man no there.
Okay.
And me come home come see her lie down in the bed. So me I beg you, please officer come take her out because she and her family there and me no want charge for murder.
Okay, don't do nothing harsh right now. I'm on my way.
Officer?
I'm on my way.
Officer,
Just
hurry up.
Just stay
Come
outside.
here, lose me cool, you know.
Stay outside. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Alright.
Okay. Hello, Mom.
Alright, officer. The old chair will play all long.
You need to know I am an officer. We have other people to call. Come, where's you now?
Officer, me and Glenn riding, right?
You know that.
The understand that the baby mother did there with Glenn ride before me, and I don't know, she said she have shares in the house, right? Me moving now with Glenn ride, and from me moving, this girl may stop pissing me. Me not trouble her or nothing, you know.
You know, say this with young people though. You don't need to build your own house and start moving with man. But anyway, where she there?
She and her cousin in there, and they said they not come out. Best way, boys.
Hello. Up. Miss, up. Who's you? Up now. You're not here, me, so get up. Up. You still don't like you're not here. Get up.
So you really call police for me.
Girl, you're not having nothing to do with this.
Get up.
This one of your buckle to fight.
Come out to girl house, man.
Which girl house? I don't understand, officer.
Get out of the lady house.
So she not come out. So
So you're not come out.
This is my call.
How it become your house?
Here one now, officer. Me go call Glen Ryan. And when I call Glen Ryan, you will know who to leave.
Okay, call him. You don't be yourself. You love done there. You love me company, that's true. No man, you can't love me company.
Babes. You know something that you do. Me come home, come see your baby mother lie down in your bed. Well, they sleep. I don't know what she do here. So, me and her catching a one fight again. And me tired to tell her, so me tired of this. Me have to call the police to come take her out. So, the police want to talk to you.
Hello, good evening, Miss Glenn. Mr. Glenn. Which one of them are they with? Which one of them to stay here? You take one. Yeah, me know about a three of them. Me see and I understand a three of them in here. Come. And you see a tear for there. Alright.
Well,
Yeah,
you need to give my cousin back money when she help me this your house, yeah?
Hello. Get up now. Now whatever me have to come drag you up.
Alright, babes. Later.
Cause you better do this.
Please, come, get up, man. Get up.
I'm to the police,
Oh.
Come take your bag and come out.
Come. Move it, man. Move it.
Officer,
Move
you
it.
don't have no right to come shoot me, you know.
Girl, move
That's
it.
at least my problem right now, you know. I don't have to know.
Go, it's a little girl, man. Come, man. Come. Out.
We find another way.
Out.
Ah, the one officer fight.
I don't understand how Glenroy really breed something like that. We can't understand no classy girl not have. Understand?
Okay, shut.
I'm hungry. My favorite pizza.
Pizza. Kind of pizza you feel?
By foreigner.
I don't really want pizza. When I get something for myself, my meat last nice thing. You get one afterwards.
Oh yeah, come.
No, I'm gonna come to the store. So I'm not ugly.
Huh?
I'm not ugly.
Yeah, that's 1.5 hug, you know. 1.5 hug, right? You're 1.5 hug. Oh, yeah, half a hug to 2 hug.
Okay.
Mm. I'm so far there.
Push up, pull up your door. Lock it up first. I look at time, but okay. Go something over there. Long time I got something. Okay. Shanti,
Hello?
mom girl.
I'm there, so I don't want to go on.
Girl, me there, I'm bored. You can't come work for me.
When today?
Right now, girl, me have something to tell you.
Girl, you sleep, me did sleep, and what me a
Girl,
come.
hurry up and come, man.
Alright.
First class today, so I just want you.
Alright, then give me 5 minutes.
Alright, hello, Shanti.
Alright, give me 5 minutes, me a come.
Hurry up.
Alright.
Yeah. Oi.
Why your face light up so?
Girl, you don't like to see a friend.
Last time you come here and hear a little piece of breadfruit, you know, dash me and cuss me and find out your face light up.
Beat the old card and bread to carry half a breadfruit to from country
Me
country.
tell us you want to get a
Me
little.
not like that. Me not like it.
What's your
Anyway.
problem now?
Anyway. Me just want to have a little drink and talk.
As me come, some me feel for the juice yet.
Nothing for no juice? Why?
Me feel for the drink yet.
This girl this up, why you gonna sit down this up on the bed?
Why you beer so nice now? Beer so far where there unilato?
Yes, me win a lot of. Girl, come on, let's talk.
It I'm good.
So, what you deal with?
Me there, girl.
Hi.
Oh my God. Wagwan. Wagwan.
You know what? Where did they? In Shanti? Shanti, when I tell me say you got country, where did they?
That now not off to do with them. That's why something girl.
Where did they?
That now not off to do with them, my road.
Now I forget me. Shanti,
The way out of that now, not off to do with them.
we don't say already. Nothing to
What
do.
is for?
Nothing to do.
What is for?
When you first class did it?
I remember tell you. So when me go up so, me see him and me just love watch it because me know say you know there. Just believe.
On the farm inside. You don't want to go?
When that?
You don't want to go? You don't.
When that? or something. No go close to that boy.
Alright. Guess what? Since you're not telling me, tomorrow me tell you. Oh, by the way, you know, say let's keep it for the lesson. You have to keep us.
So I say I left me?
Yeah. Teacher, listen. When I tell me you're my best friend, and you take me, man. What kind of friend are we?
Say now.
Tomorrow.
Come.
Yes.
Yeah. Come in.
Man, you have to do me the cashier down there. Too slow in the man. So bad.
Can I have an idea?
I post though. Good?
Yeah, no
It looks so.
problem.
They're hungry. Hungry as so far, man. They're hungry, brother.
Probably. You want my phone for?
No, I want to know. I see that post. All the posts when you watch it. Search up for one, man.
If you open my research my phone.
Nothing new, if you see.
Want to check? Want to check? Want to see nothing?
You see that for me? Since when?
Since now.
But she did, man. That's why I'm not going
Let me see if for battery dead.
Yeah, but 1%, but show me a weight per hour, because I don't want to know. When you plug in and make it crunch,
That time you swipe everything already. You think you're an idiot? You swipe.
No, man. I feel me.
Anyway, we're going to take a wash off.
I do that.
And then we come back and we eat and watch our movie.
I can look at show me.
You know that much the pressure and itch up on your night time.
Like that. Squeeze my tight.
And let me go. Alright.
Yeah. Well, we have part 4 ready already. You just what part 3, part 4 hotter. So you soon know what's the matter. So tell a friend, tell everybody, start watching back from part 1. If it does start watching, catch a one here. We have Baby Mother part 1, Baby Mother part 2, this is part 3, and we have part 4 ready for post in the week, yeah. So we are putting some work. Look over here, so. Again, you know. That work, you know. The drop on the shop, but in a damage the shop. Yeah, 1 and 2 leaking, but we'll fix that. You know, the patch and you know, maybe when I think they want to change and them look for something there, we'll try to deal with it. But see, the tree, it could have been worse. You know what I mean? So who jobless? No man curse. Things could be worse, you know what I mean? So give thanks this time never really come through and deal with it rougher than how you deal with it. Because it could have been worse. So my condolences to who lost their life in the storm, you know what I mean? So anyway, back to different matter. Would they have put in the work from that time? Come on now. Would they have put in the work from that time till this time, you know what I mean? And a lot of things in the pipeline, you know what I mean? But not everything good if it goes to talk, you know what I mean? So I would really appreciate if all of my sponsors them, because we're not asking no donation from when, you know what I mean? I don't know if it's start mash up, you know, just like a mash up means still. So if I saw so, but still reach out to me, same way, man. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. We are trying to survive it. And if you notice, we work straight through the storm same way. You know what I mean? So we have put out an effort. Because really and truly, We know the time, you know. But we have to work with what we have here now. But we know the time and we know what we can do. You know what I mean? And we know say we can do 100 times better in all of the areas them. But all of the areas them need improvement. You know what I mean? From financially go straight up. Because that's what make it work. You know what I mean? It's from what they was trying to shoot out of the house, they try to shoot from different locations still, you know what I mean? But the funds are strong like that to do everything we want for the long time we don't left out on the grill. We don't want to go for one different side. You know what I mean? But the funds are there. So we have to just stay so I wanna try survive it. Then the storm come and the money we have for plan to go nowhere, that mash up it because I have to carry everybody go. I want to play safety to shoot through the storm and so them safe too. You know what I mean? So storm pass and gone with up on the camera now. We're just want to cleaning up. You can realize but no look too much if the place look too dirty. You know what I mean? So but anyway, we have fix it up. And that's it. You know what I mean? So we cut down the tree already. We just have few local bramble for move. You know what I mean? So give thanks to that. So like back to the movie business that we say now. There's a war. We are fighting movie business. You know what I mean? Plenty people that want to see go somewhere. Plenty don't want to see go nowhere. But if bad people help bad people, we are the good people to help good people. You know what I mean? I consider myself as being good. You know what I mean? So we need the assistance, you know, to push forward. You know what I mean? Because we want to do better. And it takes what it takes to do what you need to do. You know what I mean? So big up all them people them like me say, I do not have nobody contact because my phone wipe every contact. So everybody needs to get back to me. Send a picture, send back their number, you know what I mean? So big up to all the sponsor them from that time till this time. You know what I mean? So we're there. I'm going to put in some work. We're just on shooting and now an idea same way because we never stop work. You know what I mean? Because if we don't work that way, because movie take long and movie hard to do. But we make it look easy. You know what I mean? You know that's what I say. Alright, so happy to be here. You know what I mean? There's other things to say, but I will not say today. We'll leave it for a later day. Alright, let's go.